Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. So today's recipe is a traditional Bengali recipe. It's steam cooked hilsha fish, or you can say that ilish bhapa. Okay, for this first we need to marinate the fish with some salt and turmeric powder, and now we need to make a paste. So here I'm using two type of mustard seeds and make a powder paste. After that I'm using two chopped onion and adding half a cup of curd and make a fine paste. I make the recipe in a microwave, but you can also use gas oven also for this recipe. So here our paste is ready. Okay, so now I'm taking a banana leaf and cut it into pieces, and I'm taking a microwave proof bowl and put the leaf. Now I'm adding some mustard oil and spread it all over. Okay, so now in that mixture I'm using 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and some sugar and salt to taste. Okay, so first I'm adding some of the paste, and after that I'm adding one by one all the fishes and adding some green chilies. And on the top again I'm using the paste. Now after that I'm using 2 tablespoons of tamarind water and some mustard oil, and lastly I'm adding some fresh coriander leaves. This tamarind water and mustard oil is very essential for this recipe. Now the tamarind water and the mustard oil enhance the taste and gives a nice aroma to the fish. Well, some people says that the fish without egg is ideal for the recipe, but I must say that this is a wrong statement. Here I am using the fish with full of eggs, and the taste is much more tasty. Well, here I want to share you something that hilsha is an oily fish which rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but recently some of its beneficial effects has come into notice that it helps to decreasing the both cholesterol and insulin level also. So our leveling is done. Now I covered it with another banana leaf and finally covered the lid. So after covering the lid, first we need to microwave it on high for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes I take it out from the microwave, and if possible flip the fishes and again microwave it for another 5 minutes. This fish is not fully done and it is so soft that it may be broken, so flip it very gently. One thing I have to tell you that hilsha or ilish is a popular food amongst the people of South Asia, and in the Middle East especially it is a traditional dish for all Bengalis. Now again I microwave it on high for another 5 minutes. Well, so here our steam cooked hilsha fish or ilish bhapa, it's ready to be eaten and it's ready to be served. Hope you like the video and hope you enjoy the recipe. If you like it, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.